Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best Lelit espresso machines, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best Lelit espresso machine options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which Lelit espresso machines is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Lelit Bianca V3, Best Overall Lelit Espresso Machine. Without a doubt, the Lelit Bianca V3 is the company's crown jewel, reflected by its $2,999.95 asking price. Still, when you consider what this baby can do, it represents incredible value for money. Aside from its striking good looks, the Lelit Bianca is one of the best prosumer espresso machines on the market. Featuring dual stainless steel boilers, an E61 group head, dual manometers, and a 58mm portafilter, the Bianca V3 is a total powerhouse. And the really exciting thing about this machine is its pressure profiling capabilities. Thanks to its manual flow control paddle, you can adjust your brewing pressure in real time, allowing you to tweak your espresso shot to your heart's content. Even better, the Bianca features the manufacturer's LCC, Lelit Control Center, which allows you to program recipes, adjust pre-infusion times, and much more. Ultimately, the Lelit Bianca V3 is intended for advanced users who want to experiment with espresso using different coffee roast profiles. Plus, its ability to make coffee and steam milk simultaneously is a huge bonus. Number 2. Lelit Mara X, Best Heat Exchanger Lelit Espresso Machine. Featuring a durable stainless steel chassis and a gorgeous retro-futuristic design, the compact Lelit Mara X packs a lot into a small package. Designed as a more approachable alternative to the Bianca V3, the Lelit Mara X is a heat exchanger machine with a classic E61 group head and a 58mm portafilter. What sets the Mara X apart from other HX machines is Lelit's innovative dual sensor system. In combination with a PID controller, this setup ensures that brewing temperatures will always be consistent without the need for cooling flushes. Oh, and you can choose from 3 brewing temperatures, which adds another layer of versatility. What's more, the machine features a manometer to monitor pressure in both the steam boiler and the group head. During my testing, I was particularly impressed by the 2 brewing modes, Smode Steam and Smode Coffee. These allow you to optimize the machine depending on how you're using it. With that said, you can brew espresso and steam milk simultaneously with the Mara X, which is a great feature to have. At $1,699.95, I feel like the Lelit Mara X represents exceptional value for money and will satisfy even the most demanding home barista. Number 3. Lelit Victoria, Best Single Boiler Lelit Espresso Machine. If you're looking for a powerful and well-conceived single-boiler espresso machine, the Lelit Victoria will most certainly fit the bill. As you might expect, the Victoria features robust stainless steel construction and won't take up much space in your kitchen. But that's not all. Thanks to its large brass boiler, this is a powerful machine to rival popular models like the Rancilio Silvia and Gaggia Classic Pro. Best of all, the Lelit Victoria will be ready to roll in around 10 minutes. Featuring a saturated brew group and professional 58mm portafilter, the Lelit Victoria feels premium to the max. That's not all, though. This awesome machine is equipped with Lelit's LCC system, meaning you can tinker with pre-infusion time, brew temperature, and steam wand temperature. Heck, the Victoria even boasts an adjustable OPV, which only adds to its appeal. Costing $999, I'd say the Lelit Victoria is ideal for those who want consistently excellent shot quality, but don't necessarily need a dual boiler machine. Number 4. Lelit Elizabeth, Best Dual Boiler Lelit Espresso Machine. Featuring a boxy, utilitarian design, the Lelit Elizabeth might not be the most attractive of the Italian manufacturer's prosumer machines. However, this powerful and durable espresso model is definitely worth considering if you want a fully functional dual boiler machine. Costing $1,799 at Seattle Coffee Gear, the Lelit Elizabeth is packed with advanced features while still being easy to use. Thanks to the inclusion of an LCC system, you have access to a ton of programmable settings. For example, you can adjust the pre-infusion time and save your favorite recipes for repeatable shots. What's more, the adjustable PID controller lets you tweak brew temperatures, which is vital if you like to experiment with different roast profiles. Of course, seeing as this is a legit dual boiler machine, you're able to prepare back-to-back milk-based drinks without any wait time, making the Elizabeth ideal for coffee-loving families. Ultimately, the Lelit Elizabeth's superb temperature stability and versatility position it as a real contender for the best dual boiler home espresso machine on the market. Number 5. Lelit Anna, best Lelit espresso machine for beginners. If you've read my Gadget Classic Pro review, you'll know that it's long been the entry-level machine of choice for those looking to start getting serious about espresso. Still, I feel like the Lelit Anna could be a better option, as long as you're willing to spend a little more. Costing $699.95, the Lelit Anna is the manufacturer's most affordable machine, but don't think for a second that means the Italians have skimped on quality. Rather, you're getting a machine made of polished stainless steel with a brass boiler and a powerful professional steam wand. Most importantly, the Lelit Anna is equipped with a sophisticated PID controller. To help maintain thermal stability, there's a digital display on the front of the machine, and from here you can adjust the brewing temperature, which is something you'll seldom find on machines at this price point. The only downside to owning the Lelit Anna is the manufacturer's decision to equip the thing with a 57mm portafilter. And while this won't affect the quality of your espresso, it will make it more difficult to find the best espresso accessories to pair with your machine. Number 6. Lelit Kate, best Lelit espresso machine with grinder. You might feel good about spending a lot of money on something like the Lelit Mara X, but if you don't pair it with a high-quality espresso grinder, you'll be fighting a losing battle. Enter the Lelit Kate, which solves that problem with an integrated grinder. Not only that, the Lelit Kate's stainless steel conical burr grinder employs a stepless micrometric adjustment system, allowing you to dial in your grind size to perfection. As for the machine itself, Lelit has equipped the Kate with its LCC system, so you're able to adjust brew temperature and pre-infusion times. Plus, the digital screen doubles as a shot timer, which is a valuable tool for espresso aficionados. What's really cool about the Lelit Kate is its advanced PID controller, which automatically compensates for potential temperature fluctuations. That means you'll never have to worry about sour-tasting espresso shots. Seriously, how cool is that? Retailing for around $1,299, the Lelit Kate costs less than many less capable espresso machines with grinders. Add in the fact that this baby is rocking a professional 58mm portafilter and a steam wand with a variable pressure dial, and you know you're onto a winner. Number 7. Lelit Anita, best value Lelit espresso machine. Costing an entirely reasonable $899.95, the Lelit Anita is another of the manufacturer's all-in-one machines. Sporting the same integrated grinder as the Kate, the Lelit Anita is a more approachable option for espresso newbies. Still, that doesn't mean this machine can't deliver the goods. Thanks to its compact and powerful brass boiler, the Anita will be ready to go in under 10 minutes, which is pretty impressive for a single boiler machine. Plus, the Anita maintains thermal stability thanks to its adjustable PID controller. With all of it said, the Lelit Anita's beginner-friendly vibe means it won't necessarily appeal to more advanced users. For example, there's an integrated tamper thingy on the grinder chute, which isn't the best option for puck preparation. Moreover, this is another machine that employs the Lelit 57 group head. So, finding a better tamper or leveler could be challenging. Ultimately, this entry-level espresso machine can definitely challenge some of the best Breville espresso machines, and it won't break the bank.